and gentlemen, in front of you is the EM FALCON. With a capacity of Ferma 3, and this is the largest capacity among all autonomous feed robots on the market. It is completely developed in a Polish laboratory, in our test farm, in our company. The most important thing is the heart of the device, the mixing system, which we call the FiberCut system. And it is a total innovation on the market. There hasn't been something like this on the market before. And when it comes to mixing, this system is unrivaled. 5 minutes and everything is mixed. We are able to prepare about 15-18 tons of feed per day with such a system. The entire operation is done through the EM Farm application. Ladies and gentlemen, today I also make a declaration that this is not our last word. Thank you very much for coming and for your attention, and until we hear from you, thank you.